Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Excel for data. Open your dataset, remove empty rows, and standardize column headers before analysis. Use filters to inspect values and sort to identify outliers quickly. Convert text to proper data types and use remove duplicates to prevent skewed results. Save a clean copy and document changes in a new sheet so your original file stays intact for backup and reference. Start by trimming spaces and correcting inconsistent labels using Find and Replace. Use text to columns for split fields and date value to standardize dates. Apply conditional formatting to spot errors and blank cells, then use filters to validate unique values. Create a validation list to prevent future mistakes and lock key cells. Always work on a copy and keep a change log so you can track what transformations you applied for review later. Use pivot tables to summarize large datasets and group items logically. Drag fields to rows, columns, values, and filters to explore different views quickly. Use calculated fields for ratios and custom metrics, and slicers for interactive filtering. Complement with charts like line, bar, and scatter to visualize trends and correlations. Keep formulas transparent with comments, and document assumptions in a notes sheet so colleagues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.